Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the basic geometrical ideas. This is from the grade 6, that is the AC, that is prime book. So this and one more topic was left. So there was a request, and because the exam is coming near, so I thought of uploading it soon. So what I have done, because of the lack of time, I have just pasted the question over here. So it's not been a tidy work, I can say. So just ignore that part. So now here they have said identify the following as this is the figure given, and you have to identify point, line, segment or a plane from the following. So here now we can see that this is, first let us start from a point. The point means just the point here for this one for edge of a table. So edge of a table means whenever there is a, what will be that edge of a table is going to be a line segment. So what do you mean by line and line segment? So in this one, a line means what will happen? It will extend from this side as well as this side. So I have given here the arrow. So it can be the endless one. It can extend from both the sides. So we can say that is a collection of points that extends endlessly in both the direction. And the line segment, this is just what I said about the line. And the line segment means that is fixed. Suppose I say 5 centimeter, draw a line of 5 centimeter. So this two dots says that is a fixed, that is of a 5 centimeter. So hope you got the difference between a line and a line segment. So line means it is going to extend from both the side, and a line segment is actually it is a part of a line, but it has the endpoints are fixed. That is, whatever the measurement is given, that is fixed. Means that these are the two endpoints, they are fixed. And here in line, these are not fixed. It can extend on both the sides. So edge of a table means this edge that has got a line segment. Now a sheet of paper. The sheet of paper means, suppose this is a sheet of paper, so it will be a plane because it is a flat surface that extends infinitely in all possible directions, we can say. So suppose this is a paper, it will extend infinitely. Infinitely means there is no fix. So it will extend infinitely in all possible direction. That is known as a plane. And now so the sheet of paper is a plane. And then the tip of a fine pin, the tip, now this is a pin. So the tip is going to be a point. Surface of a floor, again the surface of a floor is going to be a plane. Now let us see the question number 2. Observe figure, this is the same figure, and which is line over here. Line, so you can see this is a line. So it is extending. So we can say the line is AC. Then all rays. So rays means what? The one end is going to be fixed, and here it is going to extend from one point. In line, what happens? It gets extended from both the points, and here in ray, one point is fixed and the other one, either it can be like this or it can be like this. It is going to extend from only one direction, that is called a ray. So now we can say this ray, which one is the ray here? That is, we can start from here, OA, OB, OC, OD, and OE. So these are the rays. So see here, this is for line, means we can put here, at the top of it we can put here like this. And the ray means this is fixed and there is only one arrow. So that is called a ray. And here all points. All points means which are the points given here. This O is one point, then A, B, C, D, and E. So it is given here O, A, B, C, D, E. So these are the all points and all line segments. All line segments means which are the fixed ones. So this AC, this from here to here, this is one. Then again from here, OA, from here to here, then here to here, here to here, here to this one and this one. So these are the line segments from this point to this point. See, these are the line segments. So this is here. This is the answer for that one. So now here, third and fourth, again, this is pasted here. Name all the line segments in figure 10.16. So this is the figure given. So line segments, as I told you, so this will be AB, then it will be AC, then AD, then AE. Then the other line is going to be line segment BC, BD, BE, then CD, CE, and DE. So these are all the line segments. So this is the answer for third one. Observe figure 10.17 and name the following. So here they said that is the concurrent lines. So first thing what you should know about what is concurrent lines. So concurrent lines means, suppose I draw like this. So what happens here? Three or more lines which meet at one common point. So this is the common point. So at least three. So three or more lines which meet at a common point. So this is the center. This is the common point. They are called the concurrent line. So hope this is clear to you. So which are the concurrent lines? So which one? Three or more. So we can say 1, 2, and 3. So we can see here, so where AB is one of the concurrent line. The second one we can say that is the GH, 1, 2, 3, 4. So GH is one of them. Then IJ. So this here and this one. So IJ, and then will be CD. So for this one, this and this one. So at least three. So this is the answer for this one. Then which are the intersecting lines? So for the intersecting lines means two lines which meet each other at one common point. So two lines which meet each other at one common point. So that is called the intersecting line. So here it will be where we can see two lines. So here for this one FE and this will be IJ. They are meeting at one common point. And then it is going to be the second one FE and AB. So it is meeting at this point. So here then again here FE and CD. So here you can see FE and IG, FE and AB, FE and CD, then AB and CD. AB and CD, they are meeting at this point. So now AB and IG, you can just have a look at the figure. AB and GH, CD and GH, CD and IG, GH and IJ. So intersecting means the two lines which meet at a this one. Here two lines are meeting, and the concurrent means concurrent is going to be three or more lines. Three or more lines. So this you have to remember. Here it is going to be two lines for this one intersecting. Now let us see for the perpendicular lines. So what do you mean by perpendicular lines? So first thing you should know, so that two lines that intersect each other, at there two lines are intersecting, two lines that intersect each other at right angle. So now suppose this is one, the other line is intersecting here, this is a right angle, or this is going to be the right angle. So two lines which intersect each other at right angle. So which one will be here from here? So that will be FE and here will be AB. So FE and AB, AB and GH, IJ and CD. You can just look at the figure later because the scrolling is becoming a problem here. Now for the parallel lines. So parallel lines means two lines that do not intersect each other. two lines are there, but they are not intersecting each other. So it can be like this. These are the parallel lines. These are the parallel lines that do not intersect each other. Means this one, FEN, HG. FEN, sorry, that will be HG or GH. Both can be the same. Now here, collinear points. So collinear means it is going to be in a straight, that will be the same line, we can say. So it will be 3 or more points that which lie, 3 or more points which lie on same line, on same line. So which 3 points are this one? So they are A, O, B, we can see here. So this is, there are 3 points over here, this A, O and B. So which are, these are on the same line. So then again it is going to be HOG or GOH, HOG. So HOG, IOG, COD. So you can later on look with. Now observe figure 10.18 and state whether the following statements are true or false. So here is said GFB and C are collinear. GFB, GFB and C, they are collinear. So collinear we know that is all the points should be on the same line. So this is true. Points A, F, B and D are collinear. So here points A, F, B and D. A, F, B and D. So they're saying this is collinear. So A, F, A, B and D, they are collinear, but F is outside here. So it's false. B is the initial point of BD and BA. So B is the initial point of BD. So BD and then BA. Initial point means the starting point. So yes, from if we take BD, so this is the, we start from B. Again, if we are taking BA, means we start from B. So that is true. Point F is the point of intersection of CG and AE. So we can see point F is the intersection of CG. Where is CG? This is CG and AE. So yes, this is the point of intersection. So that is true. FB is equal to FE. If we take this FB and if we, you can measure it with the scale. So that is not true. Both are not equal. So that is false. So now here points A, F and E are non-collinear. A, F and E. So this one. So you know the collinear means they are on the same line. So these all are in the same line, but they are saying non-collinear means not on the same line. So this is going to be false. Ray FG is opposite to ray FB. FG, can you see this one? This is the whole ray. And here, this is the ray for this one. This on this ray, this is FB. So here what we can say, FG is opposite to ray FB. So that is going to be true. This is going to be true. Observe figure 10.19 and name the following. All planes. You know the all planes means here it is going to be here. This is one plane, that is ABCD. Then the other plane is going to be, you can take anything here, HEF, and this one plane. Then we can take BF, EA, this is one plane. Then DAHE, you can just see, CBFG and DHCG. So hope you know how to see that plane. DA, this one we can say DAEH. So we can make it to EH. So that will be the correct sequence. So the next one, all points. all points means these are going to be the points. So we can see here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So these are the points. Then two pairs of parallel lines. Parallel lines means which they don't intersect each other. So which are the two parallel lines here? I need two pairs. This one will be AB and this one will be CD. Then EF, AB, CD, then EF and GH. So EF and GH. So these are the parallel lines. Then AD, HE, BC, and GF. AE, BF, CG, and DH. Two pairs of perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines means either it is going to be that two lines means which that intersect each other at the right angle. So which is that they are intersecting at right angle over here. So this is here AB, AE, and AD. AB, AE, AB and AE. This is intersecting here, this one. And if this one, if we are taking this one, this and this one. So AB, AD, AE. Then BC, BF, and BA. CB, CD, and CG. So you can just have a look at this one. So it's easy. So once you know how that is, so